The Turkish 1 lira coin minted in 2006 is a notable piece of Turkey's numismatic history. Understanding its value, historical context, and geographical significance provides insight into Turkey's economic and cultural evolution. This script explores the coin's history, design, and its role in Turkey's economy. In 2006, Turkey was in a period of economic transition and modernization. This transition followed the introduction of a new currency in 2005, which replaced the old Turkish lira, TRL, with the new Turkish lira, TRY, as part of a currency revaluation to address hyperinflation. The new lira was introduced at a rate of 1 million old lira to 1 new lira, aiming to stabilize the economy and restore public confidence in the currency. The 2006 1 lira coin is part of the new Turkish lira series. It features several distinct elements. The obverse of the coin depicts the national emblem of Turkey, which includes the star and crescent, a symbol deeply rooted in Turkish heritage. The emblem is encircled by the text Türkiye Cumhuriyeti, Republic of Turkey, and BRLRA, 1 lira. The reverse side of the coin showcases the denomination of 1 LRA prominently. The design also includes a floral motif, which adds aesthetic value to the coin while representing Turkey's rich natural flora. Surrounding the central design is a series of concentric circles. The edge of the coin is smooth with no inscriptions or markings. The 2006 1 lira coin is made from a copper-nickel alloy, making it durable and resistant to wear. Its specifications are as follows. Diameter, 23.5 millimeters. Weight, 7.35 grams. Thickness, 2.15 millimeters. As of now, the 2006 1 lira coin is primarily of numismatic interest rather than significant monetary value due to its low face value. Its value in the collector's market can vary depending on its condition and rarity. Coins in mint condition, or those with specific minting errors, may command higher prices among collectors. The coin reflects Turkey's rich history and cultural identity. The star and crescent, featured on the coin, symbolize Turkey's Ottoman heritage and Islamic influence. The floral design on the reverse illustrates the country's natural beauty and its diverse flora. This blend of historical and natural symbols highlights Turkey's cultural narrative and its connection to both its past and present. The 2006 Turkish 1 lira coin, while not of significant monetary value, holds substantial historical and cultural significance. It represents a key moment in Turkey's economic reforms and reflects the country's heritage through its design. For collectors and historians, this coin is a valuable artifact that encapsulates Turkey's journey through economic change and its enduring cultural symbols. By understanding this coin's background, one gains insight into Turkey's broader economic and historical context, enriching one's appreciation of not only the currency, but also the country it represents.